Hello again, everyone. We're going to take a look at a few charts here, and I'm going to give my analysis and thought process. You're going to walk away from this video with some profitable trade ideas here on these stocks that we're going to be covering in this video. If you're not already a member at stockmarketvideo.com, give us a visit and get to know us a little bit better. The best part is it's risk-free for you to sign up for the trial, so go ahead and give it a shot. Once you do so, you're going to be able to receive the winning stock alerts right away. We'll see you in there. All right, so we're going to take a look at SMTC first, and this is the weekly chart here going back to 2012. So going back all the way to 2012, and you can see right here in 2013 we peaked out right here at about 37.50. Right, you can see several weeks getting rejected right there. Now these are the all-time highs here for this stock, and you can see, I'm going to zoom into the more recent action. In March, you can see we got rejected right at this resistance level that we previously were rejected at before, right on the head. And then over here, recently, we're coming up to this level once again. Once again, we're right up against this level. You can see we did so with some heavy volume. All right, here's that high volume reversal candle against that resistance. So what happened last time that happened? Well, right here, same thing happened and we got rejected. So right here, we're having that same problem. So if you're bullish on this stock, you want to see it break over this resistance. All right, so a break over that resistance, then we can see a really nice breakout. But it needs to prove itself first because this is a big time resistance for this stock. Next one we're going to take a look at is NLNK, and we're going to go back to the daily time frame here for this stock. And it has had a massive drop here from $25 down to $11 right now. But what I want to point out is we've got huge support below us. Huge support. Look at how many times it bounced against this support level. So we can expect potentially to see some kind of a bounce around this area. So that might be a nice area for a new entry. Sorry if you've been holding it this whole time, but a new entry would be a low risk entry down here near about $10 because I think that we could potentially see this gap up here fill, maybe even see this gap up here fill. Of course, it's not going to bounce right off and close these gaps right away, but something to really consider in the long run, just because of how big this support is. And you can see uh, it really has expended a lot of energy just to get down to this support. All right, so usually if you want to see a support level broken, you want to see it kind of hang out at that support level, kind of like it did here. It traded sideways, and this time it ended up bouncing off of that trend line. But I'm just pointing out this sideways trading action because if it would have broken right there, it would have led to a nice breakout. But when you have a free fall here that has expended so much energy heading into that support, very likely that we're going to see some kind of a bounce off of this support level.